Finding your way around a new place can be hard, whether it be a new city, office building, or in this case, software platform. Now, when I say platform, I'm referencing a system of applications designed to work together, kind of like how all of the Office products work together on Windows. And in this case, I'm referencing the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, which provides powerful tools such as SOLIDWORKS. While there are a great number of benefits to 3DEXPERIENCE, everyone has to get started somewhere. That's where the Welcome app comes in. This walks you through the essential first steps, such as making sure that you have your software installed or making sure that you have access to the necessary training to get started. Let's take a look at how to access and navigate the Welcome app on 3DEXPERIENCE. To start, we'll log into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Then you can open up the 3D Compass to see all of your available apps. As a good first step, it can be helpful to double check your roles to ensure you have the necessary solutions assigned. You can think of this like licenses. So, for example, you could look to see if you have 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS assigned. If you are not seeing the desired role assigned to your account, you will have to work with your platform administrator to get this resolved. Once you confirm you have the proper roles assigned, go ahead and search Welcome. You should see the Welcome app appear. If you aren't seeing it, make sure that the My App section is dropped down. Not all roles have access to the Welcome app at the time of this video. So as long as you're certain that you have the correct roles assigned to your account and you still aren't seeing it, the app may not be available to you yet. As of now, 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS and 3D Creator have access, with more to come. When you first launch the app, a small welcome tour will give you insight to the app's functionality and even guide you to some videos that may be of interest. For the 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS users, it will search your computer to see if you already have it installed. If not, you'll have the option to launch the installation from here, from which you can just carry through the wizard to get up and running. After it is successfully installed, you will have the option to open the application. As the xApps are browser-based, there is no installation required, but you can choose to launch them from the Welcome app. In addition to the apps, you can access learning material, including quick access to relevant videos. By selecting View All, you can expand into Getting Started guides and learning modules. Lastly, the Public Communities section provides quick access to forums such as the SOLIDWORKS user community, in which you can post questions and ask for guidance from fellow SOLIDWORKS users. One thing to be aware of is that the public communities will guide you away from your company's private platform, which you may notice if you open the 3D Compass and do not see any of your apps available. In this case, you can return to your company's private platform by closing out of the newly opened tab, or selecting it from the drop-down next to your name in the top right corner. The Welcome app provides a wonderful way to gain easy access to all of your most important tools, along with the most important tool of all, knowledge. I highly recommend exploring this app, especially if you are new to the platform. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and best of luck!